everybody, please stand up. Now, before we begin with our prayer, I understand that we have different religions. Now, if your religion requires you to do the signing of the cross, you may do so. If not, like as I am a Baptist Christian. We do not practice that, which is okay. So I'm just informing everybody that you can do your hand gestures, whatever your religion permits you to do. Okay?
Yeah.
Right? So let us bow our heads and feel the presence of our Lord as we pray.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important development. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each and every. May we honor one another with an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with our heart. Bless everyone present today, with each being able to share his or her observations and views. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for the wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
Amen. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Roger.
Okay, please.
Thank you.
Alright, before we proceed, Miss Blanco, can you tell me who's not around for today?
Jerry is absent. Ate Meren and Ate Loli.
Alright, so how many do we have? How many absences do we have?
9. I absent. 3.
3, and we have 9 in attendance. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Alright, first off, secondly, let's go through our class rules. Can you read everything? And
Class rules. Treat others with respect at all times. Listen to the teacher when he speaks.
listen.
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 Okay, very good.
Listen to the teacher when he speaks. Participate. Ask for help when you need it. Keep your working area safe and clean at all times.
Okay, there you go.
Listen.
So, before we proceed, you are already seated with your group mates, right?
Yes.
What's our first team? What's her name? What do you call that?
Sensor.
Team Sensor.
Team Sensor.
Second team,
Team Kuya Mark.
Team Kuya Mark. And our last but definitely not the least,
Power Pop
Power
Girls.
Pop Girls. Sugars and Spice.
Everything nice.
Everything nice.
Do you know?
Okay, so the reason we have teams set up for today because you are actually the whole day you will be fighting for our prizes. So learning with prizes for
Love
today.
it. Love this.
What's up for today? First prize, putos.
Wow!
Okay.
What an
I hope
inspiration.
that motivates you.
Yes.
Life changing.
Second place, as requested,
Wala, I
4G.
want that.
Ano, may kotse nga!
Oh my gosh.
Hindi sa atin na, yan yung goal.
No,
Of course.
kasama din sa ako.
Third place,
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Okay.
Okay. So, for our first activity, each team will get a point for our first activity. Understand? So, it's question and answer. Simply raise your hand. Then I'll call you. Anybody from the team can raise their hand. Everyone on the team benefits with the point because we have a scorer. We have a scorer for today. Our cameraman. Okay. He will tally all of the points later on. To find out who gets our prizes. Savvy? Everybody understand?
Yes.
Great. Now let's begin. First question. This is 5 questions, by the way. First question. What view considers man as the most important species on the planet? Is it A, biocentrism, B, ecocentrism, C, anthropocentrism, or D, environmentalism? Okay, power up, what's your answer?
Letter C, sir.
Letter C, let's find out.
Wow.
Okay, that's the point for power pop. 1 point for this round. Ready for the second question?
Yes.
Alright, other teams, heads up, okay? Or everybody. Second question. What view places great value on ecosystems and biological communities? Yes. Censor, what's your answer? D, which is? Environmentalism. Let's find out. It's biocentrism. Okay, so remember that. What's your keyword? Keyword is great value on ecosystem and biological. So there you go. Sometimes you have to comprehend the question. Then if you do not know the answer, if you comprehend the question, check out the choices. Some words are linked to each other. Okay? It's nobody gets to steal. Okay? Because of time constraint. Okay? If the answer is wrong, the point goes to nobody. Okay? Alright, ready for the third question?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. For 1 point. Which of these statements about mankind and nature is not true? Okay, A, humankind can use natural resources without regard for the consequences. B, humankind has a unique relationship with nature. C, humans are able to transform and change the environment. And D, humans are stewards of nature. What is your answer? Okay. Who raised their hand first? Okay. Let's give a chance to Group Mark. What's your answer? Kuya Mark, rather. A, is it A? Oh, let's check.
Yeah.
A, so a point for
Kuya Mark.
Kuya Mark.
Kuya Mark,
Okay. Who answered the first question correctly? And so this is for you. Fourth question, are you up for it?
Yes.
Here we go. Fourth one. Which of these statements is not related to sustainable development? Is it A, human activities must not negatively impact the environment? Is it B, natural resources must be used wisely and efficiently? Is it C, resources must be conserved for other people? Or is it D, humankind must use up all? Lena. Okay. So, are you ready for our second round?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what are we up on second round? Can you read? Can you read Gaspar?
Crossword puzzle. 5 minutes. Use the clues to solve the puzzle.
Okay, so you have 5 minutes. This is a group effort for 5 points for this round. Okay, are you ready? Are you used to answering the crossword puzzle?
Yes.
Okay. We actually have clues. It's just a small crossword puzzle involving 4 words. Sounds easy enough for you? Is it easy?
Yes.
Let's find out.
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay, 5 minutes starts now. give you 2 more minutes. 2 minutes, okay? Anybody who has an answer? No.
Answer.
You did get number 4, right? What's number 4?
Philosophy.
Philosophy. Okay. What about number 2?
Can I try?
The power or right to act, speak, or think without hindrance or restraint. Okay, what's number 2? Okay.
Ano?
Okay, that's correct. Did you write it? Freedom?
Yes.
Okay, what about number 3? Moving in one side and out of the other side of an opening channel or location. What's that? Okay.
Is it thought?
Thought. Okay, let's review the answer anyway. Here we go. So nobody earns a point on this round. Let's find out what our topic is for today. Okay. It's defining. Okay, number 2, the power or right to act or speak. So isn't that freedom? Okay. So it's defining freedom. Number 4, of course, philosophy. And number 3, moving on one side and out. So that's group. Okay? Understand? So I guess you're not much of a crossword puzzle fan. Okay? Okay, 1 candy, alright. I'm a bit generous today. So here you go. Everybody gets 1 for getting. You did get philosophy, right? Very good, very smart. Okay. So you can bite it so that you can cut it in 3. Okay, so what's our lesson for today? EJ, can you stand up please? What's our lesson for today? Defining freedom through philosophy. Thank you so much. Okay. So we still have 2 points for Powerpuff, 2 points for Kuya Mark, and Sensor is getting there. Okay, we're time for round number 3. Okay, so this is picture analysis for our 3rd round. Of course, you'll be seeing some pictures. You have to come up with an idea from those several pictures. Plus, you will also construct your sentences to come up with an information. Okay? You get this?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay? There's no time limit actually, or let me give you a time limit for, say, 3 minutes. Okay? And anyone who has an answer, you can raise your hand and try to answer. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Okay? Picture analysis for our first word or for our first slide for this activity. It's asking us, what is freedom for you? Okay?
We're gonna answer.
Sir, points yan. Points po. Or is that the points?
That's a clue. That's the question. What is freedom? You answer the question out of those pictures. What is freedom? So you have Rizal, his books, and one verse from the Bible. Try to connect the dots. What are those pictures? What are the relationships of those 4 pictures to come up with the definition of freedom? Okay, you can do it. We have 3 heads or 3 minds working together right now. Work as a team. Write down your answer on a piece of paper. Then you can recite it later on. What is freedom? What is freedom? Okay, I can see everybody is constructing their definition now. Very good. If you're finished, you can simply raise your hand. I will listen to everybody's answer to find out whose group managed to get the definition close enough to our definition on the screen. Okay, you're done. Kuya Mark is done. So let's just wait for the others. Okay, are you sure with your answer? Okay. Are you done, Sansor?
Yes, sir.
Finishing up, just making some finishing touches. How about Power Puff? What is freedom? Done? Power Puff, you have the definition? Okay, so let's listen, everybody. Let's listen to everyone's answers. Okay, so yes, what's your answer? Kuya Mark, group?
So, freedom. To achieve freedom, you have to think of the things that is stopping you from growing,
Okay.
transcendence.
Okay.
And so, what is freedom? Freedom is the right,
is all about expression. If you're able to express probably your ideas, your feelings. Okay? What about sensor? What is freedom for you according to our images?
Freedom is our free will of what we want to say and act, and a power
Okay.
to express the idea without hindrance.
Okay, so expressing is all about self-expression without hindrance. Okay, that's noted. Okay. Next, Powerpuff.
Freedom is when you express, or freedom is expressive. And freedom is when you're out of your cage or out of your comfort zone.
Okay, so it's all about leaving your comfort zone for new opportunities. Okay, so let's check which group felt close to the definition. Okay, so freedom is a byproduct of having the ability to see the truth. Okay, so it cannot exist without truly understanding what is true. Okay, so let me just explain this. Who is this guy? Rizal, right? So, what did he do with his books?
Persuade Filipinos. Persuade Filipinos that the Spaniards
Friars,
are
okay.
are like
Taking advantage.
taking advantage of the Filipino.
Okay, so as everybody know, thank you so much from your AP subject.
Yes.
Okay, you studied about our national hero, Dr. Rosario Rizal. Okay, as per definition, freedom is the byproduct of the ability to see the truth. So, through his books, he managed to expose the Spaniards, the friars in particular, that they are actually exploiting our countrymen around 360 years ago. Understand? So, by exposing the truth through his books, okay, our fellow Filipinos back then realized that the Spaniards are not actually God, because it has been our ancestors that were indoctrinated that the friars are God itself. Okay, that's why us being religious, okay, tolerated the maltreatment that we had from them. Okay, so that's the meaning of the truth. Okay, or if you only look at our Bible verse, then you shall know the truth, and the truth will set you free. Okay, is that logical?
Yes.
Okay, understand?
Yes.
So the question is, everybody, I appreciate your ideas, so I'm giving everybody 2 points. Okay, 2 points for everyone. Well, let's make it 3 points then. Okay, right? So that's, this will be a series of picture analysis. There will be another picture. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
So we understand freedom now. It's a byproduct. It's a result of seeing or knowing the truth. Okay, if you don't know the truth, then you are not free. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Next, our picture analysis, this will discuss about theories of freedom. We have 3 theories of freedom. Okay? From Aristotle, let's just go through our philosophers. Okay? So first, theory is from Aristotle. Okay? So, for Aristotle, let me just read the first one, EJ, the first paragraph.
Aristotle believes that man is aware of himself, therefore aware of his ability to exercise will and volition.
Will and volition. So remember those words, okay? What is will, Magno?
What is it? A person's right and resolve to act on a thought.
A person's drive or resolve to act on a thought. Okay? What is volition? Korumpo.
Volition is moving will into actual behavior or action.
Okay, so my first question is, everybody can answer, okay? What is Okay. What is the when we say will? When is between will and volition? Okay, which one actually has the action taken place? Okay. Blanco. Volition. Okay. Yes, and everybody raise their hands. So let's hear out. Volition as well. What about you guys? Both. Volition. Okay. The answer is volition. Okay. What makes you say that it's volition? And
Because you put action in your video.
put action. Okay. That same goes for you, right? So, 3 points for this group. This one and that one. Powerpuff and Kuya Mark. Okay. What about? Let's talk about the will. What is when we say will? How would you explain the word will based on our picture? Who has a will? Okay. We have 2 characters on our picture, right?
Yes, sir.
We have the robber and the victim, right? Who has a will in the first place? The victim. Okay. Was she thinking about getting robbed? Robber has the will, right? Now, being the act itself, he is taking the bag. That's the volition. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay? Now, let's talk about the victim. Do you think on her part, there's a will and volition that happened?
Yes.
Okay? What is her will?
I will give the bag.
Okay.
I want to give it.
That's her volition. But for the will, why did you think she gave the bag?
Because she wanted. Because she thought of it.
Okay? She wants to live. Okay? So, are we saying that the robber is good because he needs to do that for a living? Is that something that we have to tolerate? No. Okay? So, are we saying that the victim falls short of her decision, giving the bag away? Did the victim make the bad decision of giving her bag?
No.
No. Because you have 2 options at that point, right? What are your options?
Well, give the bag to die.
Okay, keep the bag,
Or die.
die. Okay? Give the bag, okay, you live. Okay? So, in most cases, I hope this doesn't happen to you, but if it does, remember that material things, you can always replace them. Okay? So, and besides, don't be a victim. How do you avoid yourself from being a victim?
Learn how to fight.
Learn how to fight. So, yeah, but let's look for a better option.
Always be careful.
Okay, be careful. How do you be careful when you go home? Walk on well-lit areas. Okay? Don't be such a showy. Okay?
Yes.
Like you're walking, then you flaunt your phone like that. Okay? You're texting. Okay? Just because it says it's a mobile phone doesn't mean that you have to use it outside. Okay? Remember, these people, they do this for a living. Okay? And they might get nervous if you fight back. They might kill you by accident because of, what if it's their first time? Right? First time. You experience it for yourself, with yourself, right? Doing something on the first time makes you what? Nervous. Okay, so for these cases, make sure to protect yourself. Don't be in the wrong place at the wrong time in the first place. Okay? Always be, keep your valuables with you. Keep them in your bag. If it's not necessary, don't wear your jewelries, like the gold jewelry that you have there. But it's good you're actually hiding it, okay? But be on the lookout. They're always looking for something to steal, okay? So protect yourself. Are we good with this?
Yes.
Okay, second picture. This one. What is freedom according to St. Thomas of Aquinas? What is freedom? Okay. This is for 5 points. Okay. So we have lots of pictures. Don't include the picture of St. Thomas, okay? Just put it there for us so that you can visualize what does this saint look like, okay? Write down your answer. Remember, we're looking for a definition. So let me see how you construct your ideas. Synthesize your ideas from the picture. Process that. This is for 5 points. What are our scores so far? Sensor has how many points?
3 points.
3 points. Kuya Mark has
8 points.
8 points. Are they leading Power Pop?
Same.
8?
Same.
Same. Okay. So it's a tie for Kuya Mark and Power Pop. Okay, if you have an answer already, make sure everybody is participating. Blanco. You have 3 heads or 3 minds should be working together. This is easy. Okay, are you done? Okay, Sensor has an idea now. Same goes with Kuya Mark and Power Pop. Okay, so who wants to go first? Let's give it up for Sensor. I'd like everybody. You're not done yet. Okay. How about Power Pop? Let me hear your answer. This is for 5 points. Now remember, I might forget. 5 points for this picture.
Freedom is when you let yourself to be conquered and let things to come in your way. And when you are open for new knowledge.
Okay, so down to earth. Maybe because of the picture that says humble, right? Down to earth and open for new knowledge. Okay. Right, so that's noted. Would you like to go first, Sensor? Okay, thank you. Blanco or Kuya Mark, what's your idea?
For St. Thomas, freedom means being connected to God, but knowing God's ideas and commandments.
Okay, so let's commend Blanco for answering in a complete sentence. Notice how she starts with her sentence. For St. Thomas, freedom is, give her one clap. Okay, very good. So according to her, is connection to God, right? Following His commandments, ideas, and commandments. So that's noted. Let's hear it from Sensor. What is your idea about this?
Freedom is our choice to be generous and to help other that benefits other by the God's will.
Okay, so by God's will, they said freedom is about helping others. You know what else? Generous, being generous. Okay, let's check. Okay, means that a person accepts teachings of God, commandments, etc., and readily puts his teachings into action. Being good. To be good is you have to be humble. You have to pray. Of course, our famous, what's this? Mamano. I think we are the only ones who didn't do this. Right? Although some countries have their own, like Beso, right? And it is bowing, hugging, right? So it's diverse. Okay? Catholic means, of course, St. Thomas being a Catholic priest. Okay? Catholic means following the paths towards Catholic divine goodness, such as helping others. Okay? You have to help your elders. Being humble, respecting the church, praying, etc. This act of belief relieves a person of his or her burdens in terms of analyzing the best possible course of action in a certain situation. What does that mean? Okay, can you give an example? Let me read this again, okay? This act of belief relieves a person of his burdens in terms of analyzing the best possible course of action in certain situations. Okay, who can give me an idea about this?
Sir, tayo.
Oh, you can try to speak in Tagalog right now. Okay, but idea, Lorongo wants to say something.
I think it's about we must think before we act.
Okay, think before we act. Okay. What about you? Yeah, you were saying something. Okay. Yes, Mark. Says here, relieves a person burden. So it's all about choosing the possible course of action.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your answer?
Yeah. It is when you analyze of what you will do if you have a certain problem.
Certain problem.
A certain problem. And you have this belief or trust in yourself of analyzing the best possible solution for your
Okay, so you base your solution. What type of solution will you make according to our picture? What type of solution will you go for? Right? Ask God for guidance. Okay. So you were saying something about your idea a while ago. Okay, let me give you a scenario. Let's go back to our first picture. Okay. Or the other picture. Say for example, our robber is named Lando. Ano yung name? Gaantay sa sulok. Okay. Lando. We don't know, we call this. What we don't know is that Lando actually has a sick mother. Okay? So do you think, based on our definition of freedom, okay, from St. Thomas of Aquinas, okay, do you think he made the right decision?
No.
Okay, see what I mean? This act of belief, if you believe freedom, like if you incline with the definition of freedom according to Saint Thomas, you won't be doing that in the first place. Okay, because freedom is knowing the teachings of God. Okay, see, you're not burdened on which decision to make. Will I rob something? Will I rob somebody? Will I do something against the law just because I need money? Okay? You get my point?
Yes.
So, Censor, who do you think got the best answer? Is it Powerpop? Is it Kuya Mark? From the two, who do you think?
Yeah.
A while ago, she said, what did you say about your
It's not God. Hey, Marcia, para sa freedom means being connected to God and knowing God's idea and commandments.
Okay, more closer, right? Okay. Closer to God through His commandments.
Magnus answer.
Okay. Now you have to judge between the two. Okay. Later on, this group will do the same for you guys. Okay. Shane, you don't. You go with Ishin's definition. Okay. That's 1 point for Ishin. Okay. So, what about Powerpop? Between the two. Okay. Why would you go for Ishin? What makes you say her answer is good?
Because there are other words, sir.
Okay.
It's
Sa?
definition is same.
Okay, they got it word by word, right? Okay. Powerpop, between these two groups, who do you think got the point?
The Kuya Mark. Can you make
Can you say your idea
Freedom is
again?
our choice to be generous and help others that benefits by the God's will.
I'm sorry, Kuya Mark.
Kuya Marks. Okay, so for the two, what about for these two? Who do you think got the best answer? Kuya Mark. Magno! What's your judgment on this? And why? Who got the best answer? Sensor or PowerPoint?
What?
Let's give Magnus some time.
What, Manuel?
Sign niyo yung ano mo.
Oh, what's your definition again? He wants to be real. Oh, read it, EJ. You have to read it. Give it back to me. Read this, Amparo. If you're tired of reading, Amparo, it's your turn.
Freedom is our choice to be generous and to help others that benefits others by that value.
Okay. Take note of that. What about PowerPoint?
Freedom is when you let yourself to the doubters and let things come in and when you're open for new knowledge.
Okay, so who do you think has the best answer among the two?
I love the decision making right now.
Take your time. Take your time. PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. This is Censored. You go for Censored. Why? Can you give us more info about your decision? Oh, everyone listen. Okay.
I don't care because
You chose Censored because
Well, that's pati.
they connect sa casing ko.
they were able to connect it to St. Thomas. In what way? What were the words? What were the words that they used? Deep, generous, right? And God's will. Okay. Yes. So thank you, Magno. You trying? You want to add something? Everybody listen. Want to add something, Trixie? Oh, let's get this. Yes, Trixie. The floor is yours.
I don't know.
What do you want to add?
Later.
What do you think? Or it's a bit biased, right? She's your group.
Yes, sir.
I think you want to add something to our discussion. So, would you like to add something? Because for Magno, he said that Censor, your group, got the best answer compared to our class. Okay. Okay, just do it quick because we have one more picture. Okay.
So would you like to let your group?
Are you with us?
Are you with them?
Okay. So maybe you can say your idea later. Okay. So you may take your seat. Okay. So far, did we understand St. Thomas's theory of freedom? It's all about believing God, believing His teachings. Of course, if you're a believer, you're a what? Follower. Okay. What are the teachings of God? Be humble, help others, be courteous, go to the church, okay? Participate in the church. That's freedom. It frees you from making decisions, making the right decision all the time. Okay? It may, so that you won't resort to unlawful things. Okay? Can you guys work without Ishane? Let's go straight away to our third picture. Okay? Everybody gets, Ishane's group gets 4 points. Then, 3 points for the other 2 groups. Okay? Check. You ready for the next one?
Yes.
Now, let's go. Let's focus our attention to this one first. Okay? What is Sartre. Can you say Sartre?
Sartre.
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 Exactly. T-R-U-H. Tra. Okay. Jean-Paul Sartre. Everybody say Jean-Paul Sartre. Okay. On his theory of freedom, there are two types of people. It comes to exercising our freedom. First word is, can everybody say, forsoi? Forsoi. Okay, so that's a French word. Okay. Based on the picture, freedom is what? Forsoi. Okay. So we have a weighing scale. Analyze what is forsoi according to Jean-Paul Sartre. Our first picture is about our it's the slum areas. Okay? Slum areas, squatters, illegal settlers. Okay? The other one is being a nurse. Okay? Successful nurse. Okay? She finished her studies and went straight for being a nurse. Okay? Okay, so analyze what is the meaning of our, how do you read that word? Forsoi. Forsoi. Okay? It's natural that we're having difficulties pronouncing it because it's not our second, it's French, and we don't do French word. Okay? So, you have to write your answer. Okay, write your answer down. Okay. Let me just enlarge the picture. Okay, is it better? Do you see the picture now?
Yes, sir.
Great. We're working on the first word, forsoi or forsoi. What is the meaning of forsoi in terms of freedom? Okay, done. Powerpuff. Okay. Sensor and Mark still working. Take your time, but not so much. Okay, so forsoi is all about the person who exercises one's freedom does not let himself limited by the circumstances. Okay.
It's connected with transcendence.
So on our picture, what are the circumstances?
The difficulties in our life.
Choosing
Being
Being poor, okay, being less being low income, okay. But according to forsoi, you have freedom if nothing stops you, not even that stops you from achieving your goal, okay, your dreams. Don't you have dreams?
Yeah.
You're young still, you should have dreams, okay? What would that be after 5 years, 2 years from now? Okay, so who do you think got the right answer? Sensor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
trying. Okay? Like I said, there's no wrong answer, but we always go for the better answer. Understand? So are we ready for the second word? How do you read that?
And swap.
And swap.
And swap.
Enso.
Okay?
Enso ulit ah.
Okay?
Enso.
And swap. Okay? So you may begin. What does and soy means? You can actually be creative. Look for the answers on the screen. Everything is there.
Even the type of and swap. Oh!
And swap. Okay? Be observant. Anything that change? Write your answer down and just let me know if you're ready. Process the picture in the middle, okay? The picture is in the middle. The third picture is another round or another, another round.
Basta yun na lang sabihin mo parang akala ko yun hindi siya makapag-graduate kasi dahil sa Oo!
Tama, parang mas pinili yun.
Diba? Tapos,
Oo, tama yun.
Idea natin. Sulat nila.
And then.
English it lang. English mo yung mga
Hindi pa kinalastig na.
Okay? What's an answer?
Wait, Avril is translating.
Translating.
Parang dito ng translation.
Okay? No answer. Remember, there's no wrong answer. Yes, Kuya Mark. You're not writing. Okay, so say.
Ayun, Maxine. Thank you.
Oh, it's a power bro.
Nasa Playdom ka ba? Playdom ang sinasabi na wala ako sa Playdom.
Power pass, you have an answer.
Playdom ah. Nasa Japanese ka ba?
Ikaw ko ng freedom, hindi mo siya binibigyan ng freedom. Ako rich.
What is Enswa all about? Okay, let me give you a clue. Horswa and Answa is actually connected or
Yeah.
okay.
They're both swap.
Kasi lang wala yung swipe through the video.
Okay.
Go. Sir, we're done.
Okay, we're done. We're done. Powerpuff. How about sensors? Still getting there.
We need a
Kuya
chart.
Mark, you're reading.
Power. I think
You can do this. Come on. Okay, so let's hear it for Powerpuff. What is, how do you read this, everybody?
And swap.
Swap.
And swap. Yes, choosing to stay. Rather than graduating or choosing chasing your dreams. This is when you don't go out of your comfort zone and you decline to take a step for your life and declining challenges. Even when you have the freedom to choose
Okay.
between the two, you choose to wala siya dito, sir. You choose
Okay.
to take what is the best. No, being the best is way. Tingin niya yung ano eh. It's not transcendency.
Okay.
Yes.
Swap. Okay. Yes.
Bakit kasi hindi mo
You wanna add something? What's your using
Sino na ako?
using to
Stay with your comfort zone.
okay. Other than getting out. Okay. Growing, learning. Okay, so it's kind of like the same as Power Pop, right? So let's check. As I told you, Enswa is the opposite of. Oh, something, okay? Sensor. Let's hear it. Oh, I apologize. Okay, let's hear it.
Na-sensor na talaga.
What do you have to say? Stand up.
Or as Enso is opposite. Choosing not to go.
Oh, it was her idea anyway. Okay, go on.
He thinks that doon na lang po siya.
Okay.
Kaya delete yung chance na mag-aral. So,
Okay, so he did not study. Right? Okay.
Yeah,
Which
they got it.
which rated more? The circumstances, right? So let's check. By circumstances and fails. Exercises freedom because and fails to exercise his freedom because of these limitations. Okay, class, in life you will always encounter something. Okay, it doesn't matter if you fail. You actually fail if you don't stand up. Okay, and move on. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, so I think this time Sensor redeem
Yes.
themselves. 5 points for Sensor.
Yung score namin,
3 points for Power Pop and 2 points for. Everybody gets a point for sharing their idea. 2 points for Kuya Mark. You get that, Mark? You get that? 5, 3, 2. Okay.
Are you with us? Yung score namin, Kuya.
Right. So we have one more word. Okay. Okay. With this one, I actually forgot how to pronounce this. Let's check. Mawis. Oh, remember the spelling, okay? How do you spell that? M-A-U-B. Okay, let's find out. So, this is how you study how to pronounce words, okay? You can actually what? Google it. So how do you read that?
One is the number one digital factor. Two is up to
Let's just finish the advert. Everybody listen. How do you read this? Moves. Walk. Okay. One more time. Okay. So for, what's the third word again? Moves. Walk. Okay. So look at the picture. You have this guy. He has options, challenge, and comfort zone. As you can see, what is he doing right now? What is move is walk? Write it down. Okay.
We're done, sir.
Done? Okay. Oh, let's. Don't worry, you can catch up. Sensor. Kuya Mark, what is move is walk? Like much of the pronunciation came from the nose, right? Move is walk. So if you like somebody to move, you say what? Move is walk. That's not it, okay? That's not the meaning of it. Okay?
It's a bus.
It's a type of enswar. Okay? But from the picture, what is the picture? teacher telling you?
Okay, sir.
Done? Okay. Powerpuff has an answer. Sensor is working on it. Same goes with Kuya Mark. Are you ready, guys? Not yet? Okay, take your time. Okay. Move squat. You almost got move squat a while ago. Done? No googling. No googling. Move squat. What does it mean?
Please speak first one. Front sentence. Here's to study.
Oh, guys, you good?
Presence kasi.
Yay! Going back.
Grabe ka naman sa akin. We're done.
Done? Okay,
Let's
on
move
this
it more.
power pop. What's your idea about this?
Modest walk. This is when you have the capability to take a step up, but you limit yourself just because it's easier to ignore responsibilities, or it's easier to ignore the opportunity and pursue it.
Okay, noted. Based on the picture, yes. Sensor, share your ideas.
Always fun. It's our choice and freedom to staying in your comfort zone because you are a successful and contented in life.
Contented. Okay.
That's why you don't want to challenge yourself anymore because you are already successful.
Okay, that's a great thinking. Yes, Kuya Mark. So it's about contentment, right? Okay.
Business plan siya din.
She is so right. She's an honor student.
Okay, let's pick up the pace a bit. Okay, let's check. Okay, so how do you read that again? Everybody?
Oh my
How do
God!
you read that?
You're correct.
Mavis? A person is aware of their breakthrough of their circumstances, but chose not to do so because it's easier to ignore the opportunity than to pursue it. Okay? So that's the meaning. See this guy? He is judging from the looks, okay? He is capable of accepting the challenges, right? But he did not do anything, okay? Because it's better to ignore the challenges than to go through with it. However, I'm stressing that a sensor has a point as well. Maybe he is already contented, okay? That's why he doesn't want to get out of his comfort zone, okay? Judging from the looks as well, as for him, he is already successful, okay? So, are we good? Did we learn something? Okay, so 5 points for Powerpuff. 4 points for 5 points for Sensor, and 3 points for Kuya Mark. Okay. Right. So, do you still have energy left?
Yes, sir.
We are almost done.
Sir, hanggang 11:30 minutes.
Okay. Alright, so we have to create your concept map. Okay. Have to be ready. Okay. So that's how you do the concept map. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you have your reporter.
halimbawa,
Alright, this is good for 10 minutes. Let me leave your handouts. Start working now.
It's okay, don't be so rude. Okay. Thank you po. Madam. Wala nang space lang.
Can I have some more marker? Maybe I can talk.
Okay, these are your sweets to energize.
Why? Purple. Okay,
You
we're
need
the
some
purple.
more
Purple.
sweets right now.
Purple.
Help it out with clinking. Put your trash inside your pocket. Okay?
Nilalong na buo.
Almost died.
Following me. And my instead of following
Okay. Let me give you 2 more minutes to finalize your work.
What? I thought 10 minutes, sir.
2 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes? Did I say 10 minutes? Okay. 10 minutes. 5 more minutes then. Just restart the time.
The negativity.
Hindi naman.
You having fun?
Yes! Woo! Yes! I'm almost broke.
Work with your own team, not with other teams.
Alam mo, hindi yan. Hindi naman kasi maganda yung concept.
It won't help you have a different topic. Okay?
At hindi naman tumatagal parang ano, yeah.
Yan lang sa atin. O, yun lang natin. Tapos yung ulo lang.
Less than 3 minutes
Oh
left.
my gosh!
Mas ako pa rin ano.
Okay,
Okay,
dapat parang swap. Miss swap.
Sensor.
Miswa, you guys getting hungry?
Yeah.
Miswa.
Yes! I love it. I love laughing.
Done?
That's
Okay,
it.
your mark is done. Same goes for you done, Sensor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sensor is almost done.
Yes, because we're writing a whole essay in here.
Be ready with your reporter, presenter. Just a small, short presentation. Will do.
Let's take all the 90 hits.
Sir, please go dito sa
Yes.
Oh, ayan, gumawin. Ay, yung sino na siya kung hindi ka kaya
Kaliman. Sino ang reporter?
siya po.
Arfa, you done?
Not yet.
May kwento ko anong bahay.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
I'm going to hold this for you. Lumalak si boss. Scared daw. Scared daw lot.
Ganyan talaga pag
50 seconds.
4. 3, 5.
Done, Sensor? Okay, Sensor is
Oh
done.
my god.
That's a lot of boxes.
Yes.
nakakapagod yan.
I think we need to sit down.
go to the order of. So the first one to finish their work was Kuya Mark, so they will be the first presenter, followed by Sensor, and last but not the least, Powerpuff. Okay. First reporter. That was about your work. The teammates can hold their work out as the reporter is giving out the message. Or you can face your classmates. There you go. Okay. Info mo na lang.
Hold mo daw.
Testin mo sa.
So are you guys ready to hear? Yes! So we are Team Kuya Mark. So we're gonna talk about Saint Thomas of Aquinas. It is about God is love and love is freedom.
Aquinas. Can you say Aquinas?
Aquinas.
Okay, there you
And
go.
it is about God is love and love is freedom. So first, love. Love the ideas or plans of God. First, like example is his plans about your life. So if you encounter a big problem, never ever like question God or kill yourself or hurt yourself, because everything happens for a reason and it is His way to make your life more better. Next is accept. Accept the teaching of God. Like be humble, praying, and respect the church and people around you and the Bible. That's all I'm thinking.
Okay, you can post your work over there. You have Scotch tape, Kuya Mark. That's your group's name, right? Kuya Mark.
Nakala ko
Nahimig ako rito.
Anywhere.
si Kuya Mark na nasasanay.
Yan. There you go. That's good enough. Okay, next presenter.
Sensor!
Sensor.
Bakit naka-blur mo? It's still record. It's still record.
Okay, check. Everyone listen.
Smile, censored. I will censor your head so that's so short.
So, we are team Sensor. So, we got Aristotle.
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 According to Aristotle,
Okay.
three dozen, two different. The wheels and the volition. That's yung tinakal na ganun.
Okay.
So will, resolve to act on a thought. Parang isipin mo muna siya kung ano yung kakalabasan ng gagawin ng action. Think twice before you act. Then volition, putting will into actual behavior or actions. Like kung ano yung naisip mo, doon mo na siya gagawa ng action. Na dapat yung kakalabasan niya is tama.
You're so
To
right.
have freedom, you have to employ two, will and volition. So,
If you have will, you have volition too.
so will is not enough.
Yeah. We need
Right?
actions.
Okay, we need
for
actions.
everything.
Okay, post your work over there besides Kuya Marx's group. Okay. Last one, let's give a round of applause for the presenters.
Take a picture of us.
Okay.
Okay.
Star Trek. Okay.
Please make me a book. We're doing a report. Okay. So we are the Powerpuff Girls. And to start, John Paul Sartre.
Okay.
Okay. Sartre believes that there are few types of people when it comes to exercising art freedom. Wait,
Okay, Post-walk.
First one is the
Post-walk.
ideal person who doesn't limit himself by his circumstances.
Okay.
Example, following your dreams despite of your situation because that is what you want to do. Next, we have S-walk.
Swap.
S-walk, look at that. Loving himself to be limited by his circumstances. He doesn't try nor practice freedom because of this limitation. Example, you choose to be a cook because you can't be a lawyer. Next,
Okay.
why are you laughing? Stop laughing. Lastly, we have Mabes walk. A person who is aware of Mabes walk. I'm so sorry, that is a mistake. It's Marian's fault. Mabes walk is a person who is always aware that we can bring into his cage, but didn't choose not to.
Okay.
Because it's easy to stay as that than to pursue something. Example, you want to be a cook because that's what you want, but choose not to because of the work you have to do. Thank you very much as all. You know our powers.
Thank you. You can post your work over
This is
there.
Mariam, this is Ate Anna, and I'm Gabriel. Thank you.
Are you done?
Police is
Okay. Alright, let's just wait for them to post their work. Nag-record pa ba yan, Mark?
We know.
Hindi lang.
Record pa.
Oh, anytime now, class. Okay, take your seat. Okay. That's right. Put some more tapes down there. So everybody take your seat. Okay. Alright, did you have fun?
Yes!
Okay, or did you have fun? rather?
Yes!
Okay.
Super.
Of course, this is a contest. There will always be a winner. Okay? But I'm sure that you enjoyed the game as well because you did your best in explaining, especially our reporters. So let's give a round of applause. Okay. However, this is a contest and there is a winner. So I give the first place to the Powerpuff Girls. Okay. They were very detailed with their explanation. Okay. For that, you get a photo. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Same thing goes to the team that's been praying for Koji ever since. Okay. So because I like their message about freedom, about God. Okay, that you have to obey God. Okay, everybody believes. You might have different religions, right? But we believe at least, or what's important rather, not at least, what's important is we believe in the teachings of a God, of our God. Okay, so this one goes to Kuya Marx's group. Okay. And of course, the censor team, we did their best as well. But like I said, there's always a winner and there's always the participants. Okay, their report was good as well. They managed to bring out the essence of their topic. Okay, and for that, this is for you. Okay, you don't seem to be happy. You're not. You don't look happy. Okay, you can pray. Okay, how about a pray? Okay, so before you go through with your prize, we're not done. Okay, We have one more activity. Okay. Evaluation. This is just a quick quiz. Okay. Bring out 1/4 sheet of paper or any paper that you have right there. Okay. Ready? First and second question. Answer to the best of your ability. Put your name. Answers only. Are you done?
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
It's hard.
No, but sir explained it very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talagang bukas na yun, no? Hindi na nangyayari.
I'm done. One.
Okay, read the questions carefully. What number are you at right now?
One.
First number. Done? Can we proceed with number 3? Or number 3? Okay. Very important question. Done? Your quiz will serve as your attendance. I'm going to collect that, by the way. Okay.
Favorite bio then?
Include your team names on the paper. Ready for number 5?
Yes.
Okay. Good?
Yes, sir.
Number 5. Last question.
I think I'm done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
You like to know your score now?
Yes.
Okay. Is everybody done?
Yes.
For numbers 1 and 2, it's A and B. Okay, check.
So great.
Exchange with your papers, exchange papers, by the way.
Oh no! Oh, anyways.
Are done checking?
Yes.
Yes.
For numbers 3 and 4,
Oh, I'm correct.
C. Number 4, A. Ready for number 5?
Yes.
For number 5, C. Okay. So write the score. Can I have the number 1 who got 5 and have your papers? 1, 2, 3. Oh, but then you have 4. Hold it for a sec. 4, 5, 3. Okay.
Sir, we are.
Okay. It's 2 of 3. So for 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You guys are only 9 so far. Majority of the students got the lesson almost at 100 at a passing rate. Okay? Please take note of your assignment. Okay, define what is social contract. What is social contract according to Thomas Hobbes? What is social contract according to Jean-Jacques Rousseau? Okay, you can take a picture.
Let's take a picture.
Okay. Next.
Wait, let's take a picture.
Congratulations, Team Power Pop, and congratulations
Thank
to
you,
everybody for our fourth demonstration. Let's end the day by our Bible verse, John 8:32. Everybody read.
Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free.
Although sometimes the truth hurts, right?
Yes.
But it will set you free. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your participation.
Goodbye, and thank you, Sir Roger.